My name is Rupesh and I'd like to welcome you to this video. I'm going to let you in on a secret about failure. I want to start off by sharing with you this quote by Napoleon Hill. He wrote in his book Think and Grow Rich, and the quote goes as follows: "Failure is a trickster with a keen sense of irony and cunning. It takes great delight in tripping one up when success is almost within reach." Did you know one of the most common causes of failure is the habit of quitting when one is overtaken by temporary defeat? If you're at a point in your life right now where things are not going the way you want it to go or the way you imagine it to be, then you might be thinking of calling it quits. Trust me, when I came to my online business, I've been to this place many times. But consider these three scenarios. The first scenario is that of Thomas Edison. He failed 10,000 times before he finally came right with the light bulb discovery. Imagine if he had given up on the 10,001 try. We would have all still been in darkness right now. What about J.K. Rowling? She took a book to 12 different publishers and was refused 12 times. Imagine if she did not go to the 13th publishing house, we would have not learned of the Harry Potter magic. And then we have the famous Walt Disney. He was told that he lacked creativity and as such was fired by the newspaper company that he was working for. Imagine he did not follow his dreams, we would have not been charmed today with all those enchanting Disney stories. You know, I could go on and on and on and tell you about the stories of our folks became a success because they did not give up on their dreams and they kept pursuing no matter how many times they've been met with failure. Another quote by Napoleon Hill is, "Before success comes to most people, they are met with much temporary defeat or even sometimes complete failure." So my message to you is to not give up. No matter how many times you have failed, follow your dreams and keep going till you get there. You will definitely get there. I do believe in you and I'm looking forward to hearing your success stories in the near future. Thanks for watching. Wish you everything of the best. Goodbye.